Hey Griddle Nation, my name's George Motz, and this is the Oklahoma Fried Onion Burger. The most important part about this burger is getting the onions just right, so they have to be thin and translucent. The thinner the onions are, the faster they cook. I've got my Blackstone set to high, because you want this thing to be screaming. I start with a ball of loosely packed fresh ground beef. It gets dropped on the hot griddle, it gets a pinch of salt, and then a big wad of the thin sliced Vidalia onion. Then you need a very stiff, heavy spatula or bacon weight and smash that ball until it is nothing but paper thin. It cooks for about 45 seconds on one side and about 30 on the next side. You're looking at a cooking time is just under 2 minutes for everything. The first thing you do is you put cheese on flip, and then on top of that goes the crown of the bun and then the heel of the bun. I call it letting it ride. Cooks for another 45 seconds until you actually notice that the onions are caramelizing. Transfer to the bun and eat it. I usually put a pickle on there too.